Let's fill out the South Dakota Eviction Notice together, the written notice a landlord serves before an eviction case can begin, and check what the state asks of it as we go. This notice is a short, dated letter, and every blank matters. Start where the notice cites the state laws it is served under and type the state's name. Then the date of the signed lease agreement it refers to, month, day, and year, one part in each box. Then the premises. The notice names the property you are reclaiming, type the street address, the city, the state, and the zip code, exactly as the lease describes them. Now the money. Enter the total amount past due, in our example $1,250, then the period the unpaid rent covers, from February 1 to March 1, 2024, month, day, and year in each set of boxes. Then the deadline for paying in full, in our example April 15, a month after the notice. Your state sets the minimum time a tenant must get. We cover it in the requirements in a moment, so give at least that much. Further down, the notice names the state once more where it reserves the landlord's rights. Type it again there. If you're dealing with an eviction in South Dakota, here's what you need to know about the notice and process requirements. First, let's talk about timing. For non-payment of rent, the tenant must have failed to pay for 3 days after the rent was due. For situations involving waste to the property, or where the tenant has done something or failed to do something that triggers termination under the lease terms, that can also be grounds to move forward. When it comes to serving the tenant, South Dakota requires a minimum of 2 service attempts. Those attempts must be at least 1 week apart, and both attempts must happen within a 30-day window. If the second attempt is unsuccessful, the summons may be posted in a conspicuous place on the property, delivered to a person residing there if one can be found, and also sent by first-class mail addressed to the tenant at the property address. Then sign. Next to the landlord's signature line, type the date. The last page is the certificate of service. It records who served the notice, when, on whom, and by what method. Complete it when you actually serve the notice, and keep a signed copy of everything for your records. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.